you something that I saw. Happened right out on the street. Saw a policeman with a man's throat right under his knee. And he kept it there till that man could no longer breathe. Something else that I saw. Patriots with their rebel flags stormed the Capitol full of anger, full of rage. They believed what that orange lie had to say. Tinpot leader, tinpot state, that sure don't sound too great. And now the whole world can see your rank hypocrisy. From a few years ago, a little place called Flint. Poison water not fit to wash and not fit to drink. Basic services failing, communities on the brink. Tinpot leader, tinpot state, that sure don't sound too great. You think you're the best, but you're no better than the rest. And now 500,000 lives lost, 4,000 people died each day. I guess if you ignore the virus, that's the price you gotta pay. When you believe it will just miraculously go away. Tinpot leader, tinpot state, that sure don't sound too great. The whole world can see your rank hypocrisy.